Hi and welcome back to my 5th tutorial on Visual Basics. Today we have only one new element that's new to us, and that's the vbTab in our list box. The rest is basically a practice so we can remember all the things we did the last few tutorials. And yeah, let's start. So open up Word, press Alt plus F11 and open up a new user form. Alright, now we're going to create some sort of currency device so that we can calculate whatever currency there is to euros. Alright, so first off we're going to change the name from user form 1 to FRM. Let's call it currency, and we're going to change the caption to whatever you want to be the caption, so let's just call it currency device 6.0. oh wait, 6.0. It's just a random name, it doesn't really matter what you call it. Alright, now first off let's start off with the list box, because that's a pretty important factor in our tutorial, in our form right now. Alright, let's make it a little bit bigger than it used to be. Alright, and let's create two text boxes. Oh no, wait, first change this to LST, I know, currency, and then create two text boxes above it, like so, and another one like so. Alright, now this one will be a little bit smaller than the other one, so it will all fit perfectly. Alright, now let's call this one txt output, and this one let's call it txt euro. Alright, this tutorial is pretty much European based, because I'm using the euro for an example, but it doesn't really matter. You can use the dollar, the pound, whatever you're using yourself. Alright, so I'm going to type in here, I'm going to tell the computer euros. Alright, now this is pretty much yeah, it differs if you're living in America or in Europe. Alright, I want it to be aligned in the center. I want the font to be oblique or whatever that is. I want it size 10. That looks pretty cool. Alright, I also want this to be oblique, size 10. Let's make it bold oblique or whatever it is. Bold oblique. Alright, cool. Now over here we have our what's it called? It's our list box, and we're going to if we type pounds in here or dollars, it will also come over here. It will say 1 pound is blah 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 euros, 2 pound is blah blah euros. Alright, it's basically like we did in the last tutorial. Alright, we need another label which will tell us, let's call it LBL currency, LBL currency. Alright, and let's change the caption to strange value, or no, let's change to strange currency. Alright, now let's change this a bit. Okay, now we need another text box over here, and we're going to call it txt input. Alright, now let's just call it txt currency, if it doesn't exist. Yes, okay. Now we are going to create another label. Yes, another, I know. Alright, change it to LBL euro. Change the caption to let's do value of 1 euro. Alright, if you're using dollars over here, then change this to dollars, obviously. Alright, now create another text box right over here. Call it txt euro. Oh wait, I think we already had one that's called euro. Oh, that one's already called euro. So call it txt value. Alright, txt value is okay. Now we need once again another label. Let's call it lbl length, and the caption will be length of list. Alright, so in here, in this text box right over here, we will fill in the length of this list right over here. Alright, okay. Now first off, change this to txt length, and that's about it then. Alright, let's resize this a bit so we can close it up. Alright, and then we have something like this. Okay, now we need another button. Well, it's our first button actually, which will be let's call it cmd show, and the caption will be calculate. Alright, change the font to a bold font, size 12. Alright, calculate. Now what we're going to do is that once we're going to double click on strange currency, and we're going to say so when this currency is changing, alright, we want to change this right over here to whatever it's typed over there. So let's say this is txt output. So if this box, this one right over here, changes, txt output will be the same. So we're just going to say txt output dot text equals, oh no, wait, let's create a variable. Let's declare first, let's call it strange value, or strange currency s, strange currency s string. Then let's say strange currency s equals to txt currency dot text, which is this one right over here, and then say txt output dot text is strange currency s. Alright, now I'll show you what this does. When we are typing something in here, it will appear right over here. Let's test it. Test euro, pound, monkey. It doesn't really matter, it works. Alright, let's end it. Now this right over here, the rest we're going to create with the button itself. I just want to show you that everything has its own property and functions to use. Alright, so let's click on calculate, like so, and as you can see over here, our other subroutine is still there. Okay, so now we're going to say something like let's declare a lot of variables first. Let's say dim euro value s string, dim euro value d as double. Oh wait, that's a subble. I don't know what that is, but it isn't what we need. Alright, dim table length, or no wait, let's use dim list length as string. I forgot the s, as string, dim list length d, oh no wait, e as integer, and we need an answer, dim answer as double, and we need the items for the list, dim item as string. Alright, well, I'm not really gonna explain what everything is. If you don't understand anything of this, you probably didn't watch my first 4 tutorials, or you didn't get it yet. So please go back to my other videos and try again. It's really important that these are the really basics, so you have to know them by now. Alright, so euro value s equals to txt, this one right over here, this one, it's txt value. Alright, txt value dot text. Okay, euro value d equals to val euro value s. I hope this is all clear by now. I'm just showing you how to script it. Alright, oh no, wait, we call it list length s equals to txt list length, I think. Oh wait, go away. Alright, txt length. Alright, txt length dot text. Then list length e equals to value of the list length s. Alright, now we're going to clear the list box again. So lst, what's it called? lst currency, lst currency dot clear. Now it's clear again. Now we're going to tell the computer for did I create a counter? I don't think I created a counter, did I? Oh well, let's just say dim for counter is 1, 2 list length I, and answer is counter times euro value d. Item s equals string answer with a capital A, and lst currency dot add item counter and vbTab and answer. Alright, I'm pretty sure I don't have to explain all these things again. I hope you can still follow me what I'm doing over here. Only vbTab means it will be spread out equally over the list box. Alright, I'll show you in a sec. So let's finish it off by saying next counter. Alright, I don't know if I declared a counter, so we'll find out in a moment. Click on play, and let's say 0.5 cent is pound, and the length should be 10. Let's calculate. Alright, it worked. So we don't have to declare the counter. Alright, so vbTab is right over here. The thing in here is the vbTab, or else it will be here. I'll show you what happens if you leave out the vbTab. Like so. Alright, let's try it again. Now 5 whatever 5. As you can see, 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, but it looks like it's 15, 210, etc. That's why we need a vbTab to make it look very professional, or at least not like an amateur. So I'm running out of time. I've only about a minute left, but I hope I could help you, and you should really try this out on yourself. Try to understand the code. Again, I'll post it in the description of my video, but really just play with it and you'll figure it out. Alright, it's very easy. Maybe create another stop button or change the labels again. Practice, practice, practice. It's the only way and the best way to learn how to Visual Basic. Alright, now I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.